Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now, obviously, I'm getting ready for the holidays since I have my Santa hat on. However, I don't like to wait till the last minute to learn about Black Friday deals, and I know you guys don't either, especially when they involve some of my favorite brands. So today, I'm giving you a heads up on a sale that's going to be going on some of my favorite products from City Beauty. Now, City Beauty is considered a luxury brand, but they have very specific products for very specific aging issues for the skin. And I first learned about them by buying a product from them called Restoring Hand Treatment. And I wanted to test this product out. I was doing a video on how to manage dry hands, especially during the pandemic, with all that hand washing that we had going on and the winter months. And this product really amazed me, especially when I looked at the formulation and the ingredients. This hand cream is not just a cream for dry hands. It helps reduce crepey, thin, wrinkly looking skin on your hands and reduce the look of age spots. And it just does a lot of the things that I think a skincare product should do when it comes to dry skin. Help soothe and hydrate your skin, build up the moisture barrier, and actually help speed up cellular turnover, making those old dead skin cells fall off much more quickly, allowing this moisturizing product to work even better. Now, those of you who've been following me on the channel for a while know that I always say it's more about ingredients and effectiveness over brand name and price. And that is one of the reasons that I picked this product to try. The formulation is very advanced. It has brown and green algae extract, fermented botanical extracts, and prickly pear stem extract, giving you a highly potent antioxidant, soothing hand cream. I love it so much, and I know you will too, especially if you have dry hand problems, dry skin on your hands, crepey skin, or aging, like age spot issues of your hands. This is just an excellent product. And the great news is this product and the other products that I'm going to be telling you about today all are going to be on sale for a very short window of time, but I'm going to be giving you a code to get 40% off. And also we'll put links to these products down below in the video description box for you, like I always do. Now we're heading into the winter months, drier air, and one of the other areas that really takes a beating from the weather and the dry air are our lips. So there is a product that City Beauty is pretty much famous for. This is really what most people know them for initially, and it is their City Lips product. You've probably seen ads for this online. It's a very popular product because it not only treats dry lips, but if you have thinning lips or wrinkles on the lips or just above the lips, this product actually helps plump those out, making your lips look thicker and fuller in the short term while stimulating collagen development and plumpness in the long term. So you get a 2-for-1 punch with this product. There is a reason why it's so successful for them and popular. It's full of hyaluronic acid spheres. Think of time-release type of moisturization on your lips. Oligopeptides, which are the proteins that you need in order to form collagen down in the skin. And of course, a ton of soothing moisturizers to help keep your lips soft and supple and looking great, no matter how dry the air outside is. And another City Beauty wintertime product tip that I want to recommend to you guys is this right here. I've talked about it before, reviewed it on the channel. It's the Invisicrepe Body Cream. If you suffer from dry skin issues, particularly crepey looking skin on the arms, the legs, the neck, the chest, basically anywhere, this is a really amazing product. Now, this is another product that I originally tried out myself, and you can see a lot of it is already gone. It is amazing. A little goes a long way. It helps build up the lipid layer, provides all-day moisturization, plumps out that crepey skin, keeps it looking nice and smooth and hydrated, and it lasts for hours. I can tell you, even here in Florida, we get some really dry air, and this is my go-to for my elbows and my knees as we move through the winter months. And it also has a super firming action that I can actually feel going on right now on my arm, in that it helps plump and tighten that upper layer of skin, giving your skin back a thicker, springy, youthful feel. And for this particular formula to be able to deliver, it has to have a special ingredient list, which it does. Lipid compounds, niacinamide to help lighten, brighten, and even out the skin tone, and ribose, or ribose, depending on how you want to say it, which acts like an AHA, sort of like glycolic acid, which is also made from sugar, to help smooth the texture of your skin and again, speed up that cellular turnover. So really a great product. They give you a ton of it in this tub, which lasts a long time, about 2 months for me in the wintertime, and I'm using it daily. So this one's pretty easy on your budget. And then of course, one of my favorite of all favorite products from City Beauty is their hydration mask. They call it the line smoothing hydration mask, and they are not kidding. In fact, I just did a video on this around Halloween, and a lot of you may have seen that, where I talk about the benefits of this product and demonstrate using it. I will put a link down below to that video as well, so you can check that cute little Halloween video out. This is one of my favorite formulations for a sheet mask. You wear it for 15 to 20 minutes. You can actually even chill this in the refrigerator first, but it helps plump out fine lines and wrinkles, super hydrates your skin, decreases puffiness, especially under and around the eye area, calms redness and irritation, and actually makes your pores look smaller. They use tripeptides, hyaluronic acid, and ice plant extract in this mask formulation. You get 5 of these in the package. Again, I think that's a real value considering what these do, and you don't need to use them every day. Once a week will get you there, especially if you have some sort of nice date or event coming up where you want to look better. This is an excellent choice for a refreshing, hydrating mask. I highly recommend you visit their website. Here is the code again to get 40% off across their products on their site. So these are my 4 favorites, but they have many of them that I've tested that are excellent. So you may find something there that we didn't talk about today that you feel would be perfect for your anti-aging skincare routine. And for even more information on how to roll back the clock on your skin, be sure to check out this video that's coming up next. It will help you get your best skin ever and before the holiday. If you decide to use any City Beauty product, please come back to the video. Let me know down in the comments how it worked for you. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.